Kena nkoligere Kenya ngima. One of our identity in East Africa, even the whole world. Kenya ntumanyirenga eto kwata quality of resource in terms of aba bao colleagues na giye konyora chinse chinyinge omo Kenya ora average giga naenda America igaga ago perform excellent. Muna I had somebody okwananga kero kuligereri form 6 ya Tanzania omo Kenya ako iboruga muna nyatara so school ari level ya form 6 ya Tanzania na wera Tanzania aba Kenya na bange baro na andekero kuligereri in terms of amangana human resource. Kenya we are much far ahead, like 50 years ahead, 100 years. Nyonyamboga under the same thing. One again to kuligereri government yaito nko bapori gabali baro inki mo wanchera abantu baito bali mo qualified baenda isiko baira obumanyisiko murabona njiga obumanyibwa no bonge na boirire isiko kangango balenda kusiga egere development yeseito mata abantu bange tuakinira ubutaka emechango tukamanya gusoma tukonia maremo onye nditoko nyona into opportunity space na bokonyora nga tuakonyire oburai gusi tu university lakini bono neri okonyora nga barai bali mutu abange bako bascared kero baruche nga you know something wasengo chiro kolenta you know bali konyara go promote those who are coming up.